have to start off the vlog by helping out my close friend Sharina. She is graduating with her master's as a speech-language pathologist, and I could not be a more proud friend. I thought, what better way to give her a gift than to whiten her teeth and help her to walk across the stage with some beautiful pearly whites as we celebrate and just commemorate this moment, you know. And we're just so proud of you, Sharina. I love you. She did allow me to record this, so I thought that this would be a perfect vloggable moment. Just look at how beautiful she is. Okay, so later on in the week, the celebrations will definitely continue for Sharina. But first, one of my really good friends, Kiaris, is having her birthday celebration, and so my friend and I decided to take her out to the city to have some dinner. She's in the back sleeping, but I just love hearing my best friend go off with so much good word on just so many things in life. Like, she's just a little explosion of wisdom, and I just happened to catch some of what she was saying, and I think this will be valuable for you guys to hear. So just listen.
Like, you go where people are just not your people, and that's okay. You go to where your people are, so that your people are gonna see the value in it. And that story really just like hit me. Like, wow, that's so true. Because there's some people that's gonna see you and just be, you know, they're not gonna value who you are, your strengths, your weaknesses, or any of that. But then there's your people, who are willing to fight with you through all of that stuff. Like, when you up, when you down, when you have mood swings, when you're real happy. Like, those are your people, and they see your value. Like, they see that you're pure gold. And so
we are at Omar's.
yes, we are.
Yes, we are.
Bessie's looking good.
Yeah, so is she.
So I'm already seeing. This is the master of it all, you know what I'm saying, you know?
I've been doing this for a long time, maybe like about 3 weeks or so.
Yeah, you know, that is really looking good on your resume. 3 weeks is really a long time.
Thank you.
But he's been in the garage like every night for the past 3 weeks building this. Look at my sister, she didn't come to play, like, look at this. So Darian also built this as well, and he built that over there, but it's about to be lit. in the bounce house.
Me too.
Stop being fake.
I'm gonna just go in there, like, bring it in here. I can't forget that. You don't have enough? Go ahead, I'm right? She did.
I brought the girls out today and they wanted me to vlog. I wasn't going to, so we're at their place of choice, McDonald's. And then we're gonna go to the mall. So
Look, we have Mickey Mouse toys. Get one for Brio.
for Brio.
Yeah. Imagine I get the girl, all the girls.
Alright, you guys pick what you want. I think you can. Oh, I think they want us. Oh, we can order there too or here.
Yeah, let's order here. Mobile.
Okay.
What do you want, Shanti? What kind of sauce?
I think I'm.
Look,
Wait, no, you get what you want, and I'll get what I want.
what is this?
Akelia Cam and Charmony Cam.
Yeah, it's called Shanti.
Yes.
Our family channel is called Cam.
The Cam fam?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cute.